Thank you for your interest in this property in the Florida Keys. You can contact the Florida Keys Home Team at 305-394-2500 to schedule an appointment or to request more information. We are here to help, offering personalized professional service. If you are looking for a Keys retreat that is easy to keep with everything you need and none of the fuss, check this home out. Solid as a rock. Central Key Largo location. Great homeowners park with beach and boat ramp. Nearby grocery store, shopping, restaurants and more. Call to make an appointment to take a virtual tour or an in-person tour of this adorable Keys home. This may just be the piece of paradise you've been looking for.